Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So you are now on the crypto universe and you want to buy some altcoins or some tokens that are not listed yet on the major exchanges, so somewhere where you cannot pay with your credit card. So an easy way for you to be able to buy these low cap gems before they explode to 1000 or 2000% or X is through Metamask. So on this video I'm going to teach you how to connect Metamask to Binance Smart Chain and to Cronos network, but have in mind that by doing this in these two platforms, you can do in all of the platforms. You just simply need to go to the website of each, in this case Binance and Cronos, and then you'll have the detailed instructions. So firstly, as well, if you like the content, consider to subscribe. I'm launching videos not only in English but as well in Portuguese, and when I see convenient I also launch in English. So please give a thumbs up to the video and help the channel growing by subscribing. You can always unsubscribe later if you don't like more. So we are on the website of Metamask. You simply need to press download and install Metamask for Chrome. It's here on the extension on the site. So considering that you have already installed, let's start with Binance. So I'll show you, I have it here already. Once Metamask appears, you just simply need to log in. So when you install Metamask, by definition it comes on the network, Ethereum network, which we all know it's super expensive. So one way to change this is to connect through Binance Smart Chain, which you can click here. So I have it configured. Let's imagine I don't have, so you go to here to the other RPCs and then you put the name, which is Smart Chain, and then you copy the URL to this new address, the chain ID. You can see here chain ID. You have the explanation in English, although my browser it's on a different language, the symbol of the token, in this case BNB, and then the block explorer here, and then you confirm. And after that you have already configured your Metamask to Binance Smart Chain. Then you can simply be on Binance and send to the Binance where you can buy with your credit card to top up with BNB, and then send it here, and then you can do the purchases on the small exchanges or somewhere else where you see convenient. Important to notice, with using the Binance Smart Chain, the fees will be way cheaper. Instead of paying, I don't know, 20-30 euros for a simple transaction, maybe you'll pay €1 or $2, something like that, so you can have an idea of magnitude. The same stuff if you are using Metamask, you want to use Metamask on the Cronos. Now with this VVS Finance, I leave a link here on the top. I made a video recently about this VVS Finance. They are offering up to 7,000 APR, which is insane. So yeah, but it's DeFi, so you need to know that it's quite risky, and always do your own research before investing. So the same thing if we would be here. So okay, now Metamask on Binance Smart Chain, I have it already. The Cronos mainnet, I will use this test one because I configured a while ago. I'll just start another one. So you have here the information as well, the name, you can give Cronos test like this one, the address, it's EVM cronos.crypto.org, the chain ID it will be 25, symbol it's crow, and then the website cronoscrypto.org/explorer. Do nappies, and from this moment you have already the Metamask configured for these two chains. So as I said, the process is similar to all of the remaining ones or other ones that exist. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, help this small channel to grow, and if you like, see us in the next video. Bye.